Hey guys, what's going on? This is John from Friends of Your Benefits. You may remember that a few months ago we had Dasher on to talk about pet insurance and some options you may wish to consider for your furry family member. And you can see that Dasher is back today, and the reason Dasher is back today is he had a little procedure. Spoiler alert, he's a new man, and as a result, he's wearing this ridiculous donut. And we'll talk about how the overall process went for Dasher, and more importantly, how you can go about filing a claim with your pet insurance company. Now, for me personally, for Dasher, we have Pets Best, but the overall process will be very similar for many of the other pet insurance companies in the marketplace. Now, to get started with our claim, Dasher and I are going to go to the Pets Best website. All right, so the first thing we want to do is we want to go to petsbest.com. Once we go to petsbest.com, we want to log in, and then we're brought to our overall dashboard here, and it says, "Welcome, John," and it has some information on Dasher, and it basically says that Dasher has been insured since 2023. So the first thing we want to do is we want to click on Claim Center. So I'm going to click Submit a Claim, and we'll see what happens. So we have a new claim here for Dasher. It's going to ask what type of claim it is. So we have three choices: accident, illness, or wellness. And to be honest with you, I'm going to put down illness. Dasher essentially needed a hernia repair, and then he needed the procedure to become a new man again. So with these three options, I suppose that illness is the one that fits the category the best. So we click that, and then we have the date of the claim. The date of the claim was Tuesday, November 7th. So we click that. We click Continue. Why did Dasher visit the vet? So let's take a look at all the different options that are here. So far, none of them apply to Dasher. We're scrolling down. And I personally think it's going to be other. So we're going to put hernia and castration. In other words, Dasher's got neutered. All right, so we're going to type in the name of my vet. Has your pet been seen in another clinic in the past 12 months? We're going to click no. We're going to click Continue. And now we have some information here that we need to provide. It says upload your claim documents. We need to include an itemized invoice showing the total amount charged by your vet, a receipt or proof of payment showing that you have paid your vet the total shown on the invoice, and it has some tips for taking pictures of your document. We're going to skip that now, and we're going to click Browse Files. And I'm going to upload the picture of the itemized invoice from Dasher's vet. Do you have any other information that would help us process your claims? I'm going to leave this blank. Has information on the claim review. We have to check off that we agree to the policyholder declarations, which is basically our policy and all the coverage amounts that are listed. And Dasher, as you can see in this video, clearly had this procedure. So we're going to click yes to the fraud warning and that we understand everything that went on. And we're going to click Submit the Claim. Now, if you like what you're hearing, you want to see additional content like this in the future, and perhaps you want to see Dasher in an upcoming video, make sure to comment below and subscribe, and we'll be sure to make more content like this in the future. So we've submitted the claim. It says thank you, and it says here's the anticipated processing window for the claim. So it looks like the claim is going to be processed anywhere between the very beginning of December and right before Christmas. On the right-hand side, it's saying the claim processing time is 20 to 39 days. If they require additional information, they'll contact the veterinarian and notify me. And they're also dedicating time to process our claims and make sure they get it right. We do have the option for a quicker reimbursement, which is direct deposit to receive money back quicker. For now, we're going to skip this, and we're going to close out the process. So basically, what we have to do now is we have to make sure that Pets Best reviews the claim within their time frame. I'm sure they will. And then from there, if we've actually satisfied the deductible, we should receive a reimbursement in the mail. As always, we encourage you to like the video, share, and until next time, thank you for joining, and thank you, Dasher.